In today's video, we are going to be discussing body hyperpigmentation. I'll be sharing with you the two products that I use to fade my body hyperpigmentation after pregnancy. So if you're dealing with scars, spots on your skin, dark armpits, dark inner thighs, even dark knuckles, dark elbow, wherever you have hyperpigmentation, these two products I'm about to talk about are the bomb, and they are going to help you significantly to fade your hyperpigmentation and give you an even complexion. Hi guys, my name is Blossom Chinwe. If you are new here, please, I beg you, don't make it your last time here. Hit the subscribe button to join this wonderful family. If you're an OG, thank you for always sticking with me. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to share this video, like, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. So without further ado, let us just jump right into this video. Now, the first product that really helps me is one product that I always talk about on this channel. It is the Kojie San lightening soap. And then the second product is the Alpha Skin Renewal Body Lotion. Now, this Kojie San lightening soap, this is like a staple in my routine. I never lack this soap. This soap is super strong. If you're dealing with any form of hyperpigmentation on anywhere, even on your face, you can use this product on your face, but you have to use with caution. Now, if you're dealing with dark inner thighs, dark armpit, dark elbows, you can use this product to significantly even your skin complexion. Now, the main ingredient in this soap, as we all know, is kojic acid, and kojic acid is a very strong lightening ingredient. Like, this is not a brightening ingredient. There are some hyperpigmentation that you're going to have. You will need a lightening product to work on it. Like, you will need a lightening treatment product. Now, it is called a treatment product for a reason. It is not something that you're going to be using every day. It is something you will use like every other day, or just use sparingly to treat your skin concern, to treat your hyperpigmentation. Personally, I cannot mention any hyperpigmentation product without calling Kojie San, because Kojie San has really worked for me. Now, when I had hyperpigmentation, like severe hyperpigmentation, I focused on the two places that were really disturbing me, which were my underarms and my inner thighs. Like, these places were significantly black, and I wanted to even them out so that they would rhyme with the other parts of my skin. This was how I used the soap to lighten those areas. Now, after having my bath, I will just take a ladder of this soap and apply on those areas. If it's under my armpits, I'm going to apply there. If it is on my inner thighs, I'm going to apply it there and let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing off. I wasn't using this soap as a regular soap for my whole body. I was using this as a treatment soap for specific areas. So even if your own case is not your underarms or your inner thighs, yours is your neck, or you have dark spots on your leg, chickenpox spots on your leg, you can use this product to even out your skin. And the good thing about this product is that it works really fast. In as fast as 2 weeks, you start to see visible results. I wasn't also using this product every day. I was using it like 3 times in a week. I could use this in the morning and I could use this at night. I did not have like a specific time of the day that I use this product because it was on my body. Maybe if you're applying this product on exposed part of your skin where clothes don't cover, then you can use this at night. But if it's on hidden parts of your body that are always covered with clothes, you can use this in the morning or you can use at night. But that doesn't mean that you're not going to use sunscreen. Please, sunscreen is a must. Like, you cannot treat hyperpigmentation without using sunscreen. Like, I believe everyone should know that. One thing I noticed about kojic acid is that kojic acid doesn't give like long-term results. If you're using kojic acid to fade your hyperpigmentation, best believe that hyperpigmentation is going to come back once you stop using kojic acid. So it doesn't give like a permanent result. I'm saying this because at the point I stopped using this Kojie San lightening soap, because I felt that, okay, my inner thighs has gotten brighter, my underarms are brighter, my skin is more even now, I don't need the Kojie San lightening soap, and I stopped using it for a while, I think for about 1 month, and I noticed that my inner thighs started getting darker and my underarms started getting darker. So Kojie San, in as much as it is very effective, like super effective for hyperpigmentation, it doesn't give long-term results. So if you're using Kojie San to fade your hyperpigmentation, just know that it will always be a staple in your routine. You might not be using it as often as you used to use it when you had like severe hyperpigmentation, but you're always going to incorporate it, even if it is once a week, in your skincare routine to help prevent hyperpigmentation rebound. So right now I don't really have like much hyperpigmentation anymore. Like my skin looks really okay, but I still use this Kojie San lightening soap on those areas that are likely going to get darker. Areas like my inner thighs because of friction, areas like my underarms because of friction also. Certain areas that are likely going to get darker, I just use it like once or two times in a week. But you see this soap, whatever they put inside this soap is magical. Like this soap is my number one hyperpigmentation product. Kojie San lightening soap. Now the next product that really helped with my body hyperpigmentation is exfoliating body lotions. This is the Alpha Skin Renewal Body Lotion, and this is an exfoliating body lotion because it contains 12% glycolic acid. So any lotion that has AHAs or BHAs as its active ingredient is an exfoliating lotion. If you're trying to tackle hyperpigmentation, please go for lotions that contain AHAs, not BHAs. Go for lotions with glycolic acid or lactic acid. Now, you mustn't get this exact exfoliating lotion. Any exfoliating lotion that has AHA, glycolic acid or lactic acid can work for your hyperpigmentation. So even if you cannot get this, you can get the amlactin. Okay, if you have a dry or a sensitive skin, please use the amlactin instead. When I initially got this product, I started by using it like 3 times in a week. So after using it for a number of weeks, I increased to using it every other day. I wasn't using this product every day because this is a very strong chemical exfoliant. It contains 12% glycolic acid that is quite high. Like 12% is a high concentration. Now, it is not a must to get like a body lotion that contains AHAs. You can use any exfoliating toner that contains AHAs. Now, the thing with toners is that I don't know how you want to apply it on your whole body. It is for targeted areas, like specific areas like dark armpit, dark inner thighs. You just pour it on a cotton wool and apply it on those specific areas. But if you want something that is easily to apply on your whole body, just get a lotion instead. But for specific areas, a glycolic acid toner or a glycolic acid serum can also work on your skin. Now, if you want to see like more improvement in your skin, in your overall complexion, you can get a brightening body lotion. So look for lotions that contain vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha arbutin, all these mild brightening ingredients, licorice extract. You can pair them with your exfoliating lotion. Use your mild brightening lotion in the morning while you use this at night. Sis, trust me, you'll be saying bye-bye to those your body hyperpigmentation. Also, don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreens are super important. You cannot fight hyperpigmentation without using sunscreen. You will just be deceiving yourself. The reason is that once you have hyperpigmentation, once any part of your skin is darker than the others, that is where the sun will concentrate on. Okay, the sun will affect the darker part of your skin and make them get darker. Now, sunscreen is not going to cure your hyperpigmentation. It will help to prevent them from getting worse. While your treatment products, this and this, will help to fade your hyperpigmentation. Your sunscreen will prevent them from getting dark and enable your treatment products to work better and more efficiently. So you cannot use these 2 treatment products without using your sunscreen. Now, what is the best way to use your sunscreen? Apply sunscreen 15 minutes before leaving the house. Don't apply your sunscreen and then you immediately go outside. It takes 15 minutes for your sunscreen to absorb into your skin and start working. This is part of the reasons why people get dark even when they are using their sunscreens. So always wait 15 minutes before you leave your house. And then get you a good broad spectrum sunscreen that will give you maximum protection from both UVA rays and UVB rays. Now, when using sunscreen, there is no point. It is waste of sunscreen applying it on your whole body, both the places that are covered and the places that are not covered. So what you're going to do after putting on your clothes, apply sunscreen on the exposed part of your body. Now, if you're putting on something like what I have on, the exposed parts of my body are my neck, my chest area, my hands, my legs, because I'm putting on a gown. These are places that you're going to apply sunscreen. Anywhere you see that your clothes are not covering are the places you should apply your sunscreens. So guys, these are the products that I used that significantly helped with my hyperpigmentation, and I started noticing like great improvement in my skin in 2 weeks, no cap. So if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, body hyperpigmentation, you have dark patches, you have discoloration, your skin is looking uneven and unattractive, I hope you found this video helpful. And I hope you get your results if you're going to try out any of these products. So if you found this video helpful, if you know that you've learned something new from this video, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I beg you, please, please, please. We are almost at 6K subscribers right now, so please let us get there fast. Also, share this video to your family and friends. Like this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section. These are engagements, and engagements are what I need from you. Support me, and until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.